Right. So we made it all the way to cluster 4, which is about probability. And we probably need a little bit of refresher on how to do probability, and that's what we're gonna be showing in this video. So let's start with the 2 now. Esther has a bag of beads. The bag has 6 red beads, 2 yellow beads, 4 green beads, and 5 blues. Oh, just 5. Okay. She will randomly select 2 beads from the bag one at a time. So this is important. Select 2 beads one at a time without replacement. What is the probability? So underline question, that Esther will select a green bead and then a yellow bead. Okay. So in this scenario, we have 2 events happening because we're going to be selecting 2 beads. The first event is going to be selecting a green bead. So remember, probability is all about the part over the total. Part over total. So how many green beads do you have in the bag? They're right here, 4. Over, what's the total? I need to count all my beads. So I have 4 green, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 beads in total. So that's what I'm going to put in my denominator, 16 beads. Now I'm going to put here, part over total. Now, the second event is, what is the probability that we get a yellow bead? But the important part about this is that we're not replacing that first green bead that we are gonna get. So I'm gonna put a cross on this. I no longer have 1 green bead. So now I'm looking at yellow. I have 2 yellows. But now if I already took 1 bead out, my total is no longer 17. We're gonna count. I'm gonna have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I gotta subtract 1 from my total. Instead of 17, I'm now going to have 16. Now to find the combined probability, we're going to multiply. So I'm gonna make this smaller. I'm gonna move this to this side. Again, in order to combine probabilities, we multiply. And how do we multiply fractions? Across. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 2, which is 8, and then 17 times 16. Which is going to be 272. Now, can I simplify this? Yes. Let's divide, because look at your denominators. For sure, we are dividing the denominator, and 8 divided by something is not going to be 8 unless we do 1. So this is not going to be an option. Same thing for B. So it's either 1 over 72 or 1 over 34. So let's simplify. To make our numerator 1, we need to divide by 8 on both sides. Okay, so let's divide 272 by 8. That's going to be 3. I'm left with 3. Bring down the 2. 18, 32 fits 4 times, and no remainder. So that means this is going to be 8 divided by 8, 1. And 272 divided by 8 is 34. So the combined probability is letter D.